Hello beautiful souls, and welcome back to Natural Hub channel. Today, we're diving into the realm of peaceful slumber with some natural remedies to tackle the pesky issue of snoring. Whether it's you or your partner sawing logs at night, we've got you covered with gentle, holistic solutions to promote a quieter and more restful sleep. Let's start with the power of aromatherapy. Essential oils aren't just for relaxation. They can also work wonders for snoring. Peppermint oil, eucalyptus oil, and lavender oil are like nature's little helpers when it comes to clearing nasal passages and easing breathing. Peppermint oil, for example, not only offers a refreshing scent, but also has muscle-relaxing properties that can help soothe the throat and reduce snoring. Next up, we have nasal strips. These tiny adhesive wonders are a game-changer for many snorers. By gently lifting and opening the nasal passages, they promote smoother airflow and reduce the vibrations that lead to snoring. Just slap one of these babies on before bedtime, and you'll be breathing easier in no time. Now let's talk about the magic of herbal teas. Chamomile and peppermint teas aren't just delicious. They're also incredibly soothing for the throat and respiratory system. Sipping on a warm cup before bed can help relax the muscles in your throat and ease congestion, making snoring less likely. Plus, the calming effects of herbal teas can help lull you into a peaceful slumber, ensuring a night of uninterrupted rest. Last but certainly not least, consider upgrading your sleep setup with a wedge pillow. Elevating your head while you sleep can work wonders for keeping your airways open and reducing the likelihood of snoring. It's a simple yet effective solution that can make a world of difference for both snorers and their sleep-deprived partners. And there you have it, folks. A few natural remedies to help silence the snoring and invite more peace and tranquility into your nightly routine. Remember, the key is consistency, so why not give these remedies a try and see which ones work best for you? If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more holistic health tips. Until next time, sweet dreams and peaceful nights.